Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Let's get you the latest update coming in from the world of cricket. And for the upcoming Champions Trophy, the 15-man squad has been announced. And what's interesting is that Rohit Sharma is going to lead Team India, Shubman Gill to be the vice-captain, and Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami and Hardik Pandya. They all have made it to the Indian squad for the upcoming Champions Trophy 2025. Remember, this trio last featured in the ODI format at the 2023 World Cup. Rohit Sharma, as I mentioned, is going to be the one leading it. He is going to be the captain, with Shubman Gill serving as his deputy. And there are some interesting names as well that we are seeing. For example, Yashasvi Jaiswal, who is yet to make his ODI debut. Let's go across to my colleague Karishma, joining us on the broadcast more on this. Karishma, take us through the key highlights here. Yashasvi Jaiswal is a new name that I can see. Also, I want to ask you about Jasprit Bumrah. Will he be fit to join the squad for the Champions Trophy?
Well, Hina, there are question marks as far as Jasprit Bumrah's fitness is concerned. Jeet Agarkar was very, very categorical in saying that he may not be available for the starting matches, and that is why Harshit Rana has been named as far as the England squad is concerned. But of course, as far as Jasprit Bumrah is concerned, a closer call will be taken when the dates are nearer. The Champions Trophy starts on the 20th of February, so there's still a month to go for that. But Jasprit Bumrah has been named in the squad because everyone is hoping that he is going to be fit by then. But as far as the biggest development is concerned, this is of course going to be Shubman Gill being named the vice captain. We had seen many names doing the round earlier. It was Hardik Pandya also that was being talked about. There was Akshar Patel that was being talked about, but Jeet Agarkar saying that there was no deep reason for not having Akshar for that matter, but it is going to be Shubman Gill who is going to be Rohit's deputy, at least in the England series and in the Champions Trophy. Apart from that, some regular names, of course, there, like Virat Kohli, like Ravindra Jadeja, then Washington Sundar also being named in the squad. There is Yashasvi Jaiswal, there is Rishabh Pant. So a very, very strong team being named. And questions were also asked on the SOPs that were implemented, and Jeet Agarkar tried to say that these rules were always in place, and that when you are playing for the national team, it is inherent that you follow all the rules that are there. So very, very interesting times ahead as far as Indian cricket is concerned, and how the team bonds during the Champions Trophy is also going to be looked at very, very closely.
For you, were there any surprises in terms of the members who have been picked in this 15-member squad, Karishma, apart from the two important points that you mentioned? One, Shubman Gill being picked as the vice-captain, and of course we know questions continue around Jasprit Bumrah's fitness right now.
Yes, absolutely, Hina. It is a very, very, practical team. It is on lines of what anyone would have thought the team would be. Shreyas Iyer, of course, being there in the team is a big, big development. Then, of course, Kuldeep Yadav had some injuries. He's also back in the team. Other than that, the regular names are there, whether you talk about Arshdeep Singh, Yashasvi, Pant, Jadeja, Hardik, all the regular names there. Like I said, Harshit Rana being in the England squad because Jasprit Bumrah won't be available is the only other addition that one can talk about. But other than that, this is the team that the BCCI feels is going to win the Champions Trophy, is going to perform very, very well in the Champions Trophy.
Right. Karishma, request you to stay on with us.